Natural resources, which come from the earth, sea, and air, are essential to human life and industry. These resources include everything from metals and minerals in the ground to fish in the oceans and fresh air and water. However, not all natural resources are limitless. Some are finite, meaning they will eventually run out, while others are renewable, capable of replenishing themselves over time if managed properly. Finite resources such as oil, coal, and natural gas are formed over millions of years from the remains of plants and animals. Once these resources are extracted and consumed, they cannot be replaced on a human timescale. Metals like copper and iron also fall into this category. Although they can be recycled, the original supply in the Earth's crust is limited. The continuous extraction of finite resources poses risks to the environment, such as habitat destruction, water contamination, and increased carbon emissions that contribute to climate change. As demand for these resources grows, the pressure on the environment intensifies, leading to debates about sustainability and the need for alternatives. Renewable resources, in contrast, include solar energy, wind power, and timber from forests. These resources can regenerate naturally within a short period. For example, solar energy is harnessed from the sun, which provides a constant and vast energy supply, while wind turbines generate electricity from the wind, which is also inexhaustible. Forests, if managed sustainably, can continuously provide wood for construction and paper without depleting the supply. However, even renewable resources need to be carefully managed. Overharvesting of forests or overfishing in the seas can lead to depletion, making these resources effectively finite if not handled responsibly. Tables, charts, and graphs can provide a clearer insight into the availability and use of different resources. For example, a chart showing global oil reserves over time might reveal a steady decline, highlighting the limited nature of fossil fuels. Graphs illustrating renewable energy production can demonstrate the increasing reliance on wind and solar power as countries seek to reduce their dependence on finite resources. Such data can also help track environmental impacts, energy consumption trends, and the economic factors that drive resource extraction and use. The extraction of finite resources comes with significant risks. Mining for metals, for instance, can cause soil erosion, water pollution, and loss of biodiversity. Drilling for oil or gas can lead to spills and accidents that devastate ecosystems. Additionally, the burning of fossil fuels releases greenhouse gases, contributing to global warming. As these resources become scarcer, extraction methods often become more invasive, pushing operations into environmentally sensitive areas like rainforests or deep oceans, further increasing the potential for damage. In conclusion, natural resources come from the earth, sea, and air, and while some are renewable, others are finite and pose significant environmental risks when extracted. Tables, charts, and graphs can provide valuable insight into the state of these resources, helping to inform decisions about how they are used and conserved for future generations.